Yes, because we established at my house a new culture. We call it the Moses culture. We took things from the Indian part and from the Moroccan part. And in Judaism, every Friday evening we get together for a meal. It's a special meal for Shabbat, the day of rest. So we decided that, okay, in Moroccan side, the men are the one who prays. The men are the one who do the things, not the women. In the Indian side, doesn't matter who does that. So we decided in our house that there's no difference between men and women, and this will be our tradition, our new culture, not women and men. Equality. And I think the equality comes from taking the Indian thing, the Moroccan thing, and doing something together. That's the thing I think really. If you see in my family, we have equality between men and women today. Doesn't matter anything else, which I think is I didn't think about it until now, but this is something everybody should have.